All right, guys, how to reset the XSense hub. Now, a couple things. You'll see that I got the blue light on. That lets you know that it's connected to Wi-Fi, but I'm looking to connect it to a new Wi-Fi. So how to do that in this system is, one, you're going to want to make sure that it's plugged in. And then number two, you're going to see there's a button here on the top, but then there's also a smaller button down here on the bottom. Now, for this smaller hole or bottom down here, you're going to need to use a little needle, and you're going to go ahead and push that in there, and you're going to hold it for 5 seconds. And that's how you reset the Wi-Fi. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And you'll hear a little click. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now you'll see the lights are no longer turned on. And this is actually a full factory reset. So anything that it's been connected to, it'll no longer be connected. So that's how you guys reset it. If you have any questions, let me know, and you will need a very small needle to be able to reset it. So thanks, guys. See ya.